Hello everyone, how are you? Quick disclaimer, there is some construction going on right next door and it doesn't look like there's any signs of stopping anytime soon, so I figured I'll just film and hopefully it's not too annoying. I just wanted to let you guys know I'm sorry if you hear anything in the background, that is what that is, or possibly some cats running around. Either or, you'll probably hear something. Anyways, today I am unboxing my Birchbox. Oh, before I begin, I should also remind you I have my 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on until the end of the month, which is quickly approaching. Like, time is flying. I think we have about a week left in the month. So definitely enter if you have not yet. That will be below. So if you do not know, Birchbox is a $10 a month beauty subscription. I do have a link that you can get your first 3 months for $8 a month only, so I will leave that down below too. So it's a great way to try it out if you haven't tried it yet. You know, $8 a month, pretty affordable. So you get about 5 items each month. They are like deluxe or sample size items. The box for February is super cute. I feel pretty far away today. I wanted to keep the mic as far away from the window as possible, but I will try and show you guys everything clearly. But can you see there's like cute little hearts? And on the back, look, it says magic inside. How cute is that? So when you sign up for Birchbox, each month you'll get an email and you'll be able to kind of get a sneak peek and customize your box. You can either get a complete surprise, or you can choose out of a few samples, or you can get a curated box so you can see all 5 things that you're getting. This month I chose my sample. I usually get a surprise. I have gotten the curated boxes before, but there's one item I really wanted to try, so I will tell you that when it comes out. So this is the card this month. Oh, and there is a cat in here now, so you'll probably hear her more than outside. But it says, congrats on your 100th box, you're the best. Wait, is this my 100th box? Oh, that's to Beth in Philadelphia, because I was just thinking, I'm like, what is 6 times 12? I'm like, I guess I'm getting close, right? It says, we're spreading the love this month and every month. Thank you for making Birchbox what it is today. So Birchbox was my very first subscription box and I've gotten it for over 6 years. That's why I had to pause for a second and be like, was this actually my 100th box? They're just saying stuff to different subscribers here. Like, we love that you're an ace, aka a VIP in our loyalty program, all that stuff. So that's really nice. They're really good to their subscribers. I actually had something come broken last month and they got back to me right away and sent the sample to me. So they actually responded on a Sunday. So they do a great job with customer service. I've enjoyed them for over 6 years. So anyways, I'll stop rambling. Let's get into it. On the back of the card, it has the pricing, or the full-size pricing for each of the items. So I'll pull out 2 things first. These are 2 things I've actually tried. So my mom also subscribes to Birchbox and she has for a while as well. And we went on a weekend trip to Chattanooga just this past weekend. And she already had gotten her box. She's so lucky. She always gets her boxes before me, along with a lot of you guys. I feel like maybe because I'm like so south in Florida, it takes longer. I don't know, but she lives in Chicago. But she brought this with her. Oh, Emmy's behind me. I can see in the viewfinder. She brought the Nexus. This is their Therapy Ultimate Moisture Shampoo and the Humectress Ultimate Moisture Conditioner. And they left my hair so soft, so I was super excited to see this in my box. Hopefully you could see. And I love getting shampoos and conditioners. I know not everyone does, but I do. Because this is pretty much what I use in my shower. I haven't gone out and purchased shampoo and conditioner in a long time. Also, when you travel, it's so nice to have this stuff, because I really appreciate that my mom brought these instead of the hotel shampoo. Sometimes they're not too bad, but I feel like sometimes my hair gets a little drier when I use them, so these definitely condition your hair. Super excited. Let's read about it. So the shampoo, the full size is $12, and the conditioner full size is $17. It says the nourishing shampoo infuses hair with long-lasting moisture and reparative nutrients that give it a soft, smooth feel. And for the conditioner's description, it says, restore your hair's natural protective barriers with this conditioner that hydrates and locks in moisture for amazingly smooth and strong results. Awesome. And then I see a Perfume, which came intact this month. So this is Arizona, I think is the name of it. Here is the outer paper packaging. I like the color scheme. So full size of this is $100. Perfume is so pricey, so I love like when I have a surplus of little samples because I just use those. Let's see how full this one is. So this one's only about like a little more than halfway full. Can you see that? Sorry, like I said, I'm pretty far away today. So this is by Proenza Schuler. You know me, I probably am pronouncing that wrong. I've never heard of this brand before. But it says, channel an adventurous attitude with this crisp concoction of white cactus flower, jasmine, and orange flower that's suitable for spritzing year-round. So, I haven't put any perfume on today. Ooh. It smells so good. Oh my god, this might be worth the full size. This smells great. It's not like too overpowering of orange or anything, like, or too florally, but it's like just the perfect amount. I love it. That is so good. Oh my gosh, I got a full-size item. Laura Geller Nude Kisses Lip Hugging Lip Gloss in Coastal. You guys, this is awesome. This has got to be worth more than $10. $21. And I paid $10 for this. Oh, this is a pretty nude color. This is definitely full size. Like, what is the actual size of this? Like 3 mLs? Yeah. So, this hydrating lip gloss imparts sheer to medium coverage of shimmering peach that feels cushiony and never tacky. Its high shine finish creates the appearance of fuller lips too. Great, I could definitely use some more full lips. I've never used a Laura Geller lippy before. This is awesome. I can't believe it's a full size. I've gotten a full size item before in Birchbox. I almost said BoxyCharm. Sometimes they just sound so familiar. This is a pretty nude lip color for every day. I like that. But yeah, so normally we don't get full size, but I did get a full size brow product before that was $30 and I really love it and I'm really tempted to purchase it again. Right now I'm using like drugstore brow products, trying to figure out something affordable, but so far nothing beats it. But this is pretty. I'm excited about this. So this box is so worth it. There's one more thing in here, and it is the item I chose, and you'll probably know why I chose it. It is by Sunday Riley. It's their Autocorrect Brightening and Depuffing Eye Contour Cream. I am so excited to try this. I definitely have puffy eyes, even when I sleep a lot, even though I have not been doing that lately. I don't know why. For some reason, every night around 3 a.m. I wake up no matter what time I go to bed, and I have trouble falling back asleep, so. But the full size of this is $65. It says, give tired looking eyes a lifted effect with this cream that does it all. Caffeine depuffs, horse chestnut, smooths fine lines, and antioxidant-rich lutein provides luminescence. I'm so excited to try this. I'm not gonna like swatch or anything right now just because it's not the biggest sample and I really want to get the most out of this. Like, if you follow my channel, you know I love Sunday Riley, so I'm pretty much gonna be doing like all Sunday Riley skincare now, so awesome. So let's recap. This might be like my favorite month in a while. So the shampoo and conditioner I know I like because I got to use them over the weekend and they made my hair so soft, so that's awesome. The perfume smells so good. Like, this is the best smelling sample. Like, I really love the Stella I got in my Sephora play. Like, I love Stella McCartney's scent, self-named Stella. But I like this better. This might be like my new favorite. I don't know, I'm gonna use it more because, like, I don't know. Cats. We got a full-size lip gloss by Laura Geller, $21 value. And then the eye cream, which I am super excited about, obviously, because I chose it. So this month is total A+ for me. Did you guys get your Birchbox this month? What did you guys get? And if you didn't subscribe yet, like I said, there will be the link down below. It's a referral link, so it's for 3 months and you pay $8 each, so you save $6. So it's a good way to try it out or also to gift someone. But anyways, thank you so much for unboxing with me. I am really happy with this month. And again, I will leave my giveaway link down below. And I will stop rambling and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.